Alin ang better for SEO optimization, ContentShake AI or ChatGPT? Alam mo, minsan mahirap maghanap ng tamang tool para i-level up ang pagsusulat, lalo na't sobrang dami ng options. Kaya ngayon, pag-usapan natin ang dalawang popular na tools, ContentShake AI and ChatGPT. Pareho silang may hatid na unique na features, whether it's creating SEO-friendly articles or helping you brainstorm and draft just about anything. You'll definitely want to stick around kasi we're going to break down ang mga key features para matulungan ka mag-decide kung alin tulang fit para sa content creation goals mo. Plus, magbibigay din kami ng mga exclusive link para makuha mo ang best deal kung ready ka na mag-sign up. So una, ano ba ang ContentShake AI? Ang ContentShake AI ay bahagi ng SEMrush ecosystem, isang AI-powered platform na design para gumawa ng SEO-friendly na content. It's tailored for small teams or individuals who need to produce long-form content that ranks well in search engines. Ang ContentShake ay may real-time competitive analysis, optimization tips, at keyword suggestions para mapadali ang paggawa ng content, kaya perfect ito para sa mga marketers at bloggers na focus sa pag-drive ng traffic. Ngayon, ano naman ang ChatGPT? ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile AI language model capable of generating human-like text. It excels in a variety of tasks, from brainstorming ideas and drafting content to answering questions and engaging in conversations. Hindi ito specially made para sa SEO, pero isang powerful na general-purpose tool ito na kayang mag-adjust sa iba't ibang writing styles at topics. Tignan natin ang mga key features ng bawat isa. Magsimula tayo sa ContentShake AI. SEO-focused content creation. ContentShake is designed to help you create content that ranks higher on search engines by integrating built-in SEO tools like keyword suggestions and competitor analysis. Ini-ensure na to na ang articles mo are not only engaging but also optimized to drive organic traffic, kaya makakatipid ka ng oras and efforts sa manual na pag-research ng SEO strategies. Real-time insights. Sa real-time na data tungkol sa performance ng competitor, nagbibigay ang ContentShake ng mga actionable insights kung ano ang effective sa industriya mo. This feature allows you to stay ahead of the competition by fine-tuning your content strategy with up-to-date market trends. Pre-written templates. Makakatipid ka rin ng oras at mapapanatili ang consistency gamit ang mga pre-written templates na design para sa blogs, articles, at iba pang long-form content. These templates act as a guide, ensuring your content is structured effectively to engage readers while reducing the workload of starting from scratch. User-friendly interface. Ang intuitive design ng ContentShake ay ginagawang madali itong gamitin para sa mga individual at small teams kahit na wala silang extensive na technical o SEO experience. This simplicity allows users to focus on creating content without being bogged down by a steep learning curve. Integrated optimization tips. Nagbibigay ang platform ng mga recommendations para mapabuti ang readability, tone, at paggamit ng keywords. This ensures your content appeals to both search engines and your target audience, helping you achieve better engagement and rankings. Customizable tone of voice. ContentShake allows you to personalize the tone of voice for each article by uploading, writing examples, na-analyze ng AI ang style mo at ina-adjust ang content para mag-sound na parang ikaw, which ensures consistency with your brand or personal writing voice. This makes it an excellent tool for maintaining authenticity across all your content. Sunod, tignan natin ang key features ng ChatGPT. First, style content creation. Ang ChatGPT ay isang highly adaptable na tool na kayang gumawa ng content para sa blogs, social media posts, emails, at marami pang iba. This tool is a one-stop solution for businesses and individuals who need quick, varied, and high-quality content for different platforms. Customizable outputs with prompts. Pwede mong i-guide ang ChatGPT to produce content that matches your specific tone, style, or brand voice. Ang flexibility na to ay tinitiyak ang content mo ay aligned sa business goals mo habang nananatiling consistent at professional ang image mo. Conversation-based assistance. ChatGPT allows you to interact with it conversationally, which makes brainstorming and idea refinement so much easier. Ang feature na to ay especially helpful for writers looking to overcome creative blocks or polish their draft collaboratively. Language support. Perfect ang ChatGPT para sa mga businesses at individuals na target ang global audience kasi sumusuporta ito sa maraming languages. This broad language capability allows you to expand your reach and connect with diverse customer base. General purpose functionality. Habang hindi ito tailored specifically for SEO, ChatGPT can assist with keyword-rich content when given proper prompts. This makes it a flexible tool for creating content that meets a variety of goals from marketing campaigns to educational material. Now let's break down a real-life example to show how the strength of ContentShake AI and ChatGPT play out in action. First off, imaginein mo na ikaw ay small business owner who wants to write an article about the benefits of eco-friendly packaging to boost your online presence. Here's how each tool can help. First off, gamit ang ContentShake AI keyword suggestions. Nagbibigay ito ng mga relevant na keywords tulad ng sustainable packaging, eco-friendly materials, at green business practices na pwedeng isama sa iyong article. Optimization tips. The tool offers feedback tungkol sa readability at keyword placement para masiguro na ang content mo ay engaging para sa mga readers at sumusunod na SEO standards. Pre-written templates. Maaaring mag-suggest ang ContentShake AI ng structure tulad ng introduction, benefits ng eco-friendly packaging, examples, and conclusion, making the writing process way faster and more consistent. Result. Tapos nun magkakaroon ka ng maayos at search engine friendly na article na nagdadala ng organic traffic and positions your brand as eco-conscious. Ngayon, tignan natin yung example kung paano gamitin ng ChatGPT. ChatGPT is amazing para mag-brainstorm ng mga creative na idea o magdagdag ng personality sa content mo. Ganito mo siya magagamit. Creative brainstorming. You can ask ChatGPT na mag-generate ng catchy headlines tulad ng Going Green, How Sustainable Packaging Benefits Your Brand, Engaging Content. Matutulungan ka nito magsulat ng conversational and engaging sections tulad ng pagpapakita ng story tungkol sa isang negosyo that successfully switched to sustainable packaging. Multiple applications. Pwede mo rin gamitin ng ChatGPT para gumawa ng social media posts, email newsletters, o kahit scripts para sa promotional video tungkol sa topic. The result is a versatile, creative piece that connects with your audience and supports various marketing channels. However, you will need to manually optimize it for SEO. Key takeaways. ContentShake AI. Ang ContentShake AI ay ideal if your primary goal is to rank high on search engines and drive traffic through SEO-optimized content. Ito ang go-to tool mo para sa structured at targeted writing na nakatutok sa keywords and readability. On the other hand, ang ChatGPT naman ay nag-excel kapag kailangan mo ng creativity at adaptability. Perfect ito para sa brainstorming ng ideas, pangdagdag ng personal na touch, at paggawa ng content para sa iba't ibang platforms, mula sa blogs hanggang sa social media. Honestly, kapag pinagsama mo yung mga tool na to, you can maximize their strengths. Magsimula ka sa ContentShake AI para sa pangunahing SEO-driven article, and then refine and expand it using ChatGPT to inject creativity and adapt it for other formats. Together, makakapag-offer sila ng powerful way to produce high-quality, engaging content that performs well across all channels. Ngayon, tignan natin yung iba't ibang plans para sa bawat isa gaya ng mga nabanggit. Ang ContentShake AI is a part of SEMrush, so what the pricing looks like is just $60 per month. Sa plan na to, makakakuha ka ng 25 new content ideas per week, SEO-friendly briefs, and articles composed with the AI along with all rewrite features, one-click WordPress publishing, and an extension for Chrome. Pwede mo rin ito subukan ng libre kung gusto mo makita kung bagay ito sa'yo. Kaya kung gusto mo magsimula, ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay i-click yung try for free. You can create an account with Google or you can go ahead and type in your email and password. Next, let's go over ChatGPT's pricing. Here, you can see they do have a free plan. With this plan, you get access to ChatGPT. Kasama rin dito yung standard voice mode, limited access sa ChatGPT 4, limited access sa file uploads, advanced data analysis, web browsing, image generation, at custom GPT. Sunod naman yung plus plan. At sa plan na to, makukuha mo lahat ng nasa free plan. May dagdag na extended limits sa messaging, file uploads, advanced data analysis. You get standard and advanced voice mode, limited access to O1 and O1 Mini, pati na rin ang opportunity to test new features and create and use custom GPTs. Meron din silang pro plan na nagkakahalaga ng $200 per month. Sa plan na to, makukuha mo lahat ng nasa plus plan, pati na rin ang unlimited access to GPT-4 at O1, unlimited access to advanced voice, access to O1 Pro mode, which uses more compute for the best answers to the hardest questions. Meron din silang team and enterprise plans. Para sa team pricing, nagkakahalaga ito ng $25 bawat user kada buwan kung annual billing, or $30 per month billed monthly. So they have a bunch of different options. Nagamit ko na yung free at plus plan. I personally have the plus plan because I feel like it works a lot better at ginagamit ko to araw-araw with my content creation. For creating emails, helping with podcast scripts, everything like that. Madalas ko talagang gamitin ng ChatGPT. Sa enterprise plan, kailangan mo makipag-ugnayan sa sales team nila. Gusto mo mag-sign up para sa ContentShake AI o ChatGPT? Make sure you check the description because we've left our exclusive links in there. At dyan ka makakapag-sign up for the best price possible. Kung gusto mo magsimula sa ChatGPT, kailangan mo lang gawin na i-click yung get free, tapos mag-sign up ka. Pwede ka mag-create ng account gamit ang Google, Microsoft account, Apple, o kaya naman mag-sign up gamit ang email. Ngayon, alin ang dapat mong piliin? Piliin mong ContentShake AI kung nakafocus ka sa paggawa ng SEO-optimized content na magdadala ng traffic sa website mo. It's a great specific tool for marketers, bloggers, and small teams who want all-in-one platform for competitive analysis and optimization. On the other hand, piliin mong ChatGPT kung kailangan mo ng mas general purpose na writing assistant para sa brainstorming, drafting, o generating creative content. It's perfect for users who want flexibility and less concerned about SEO-specific features. Alam ko na nakaka-stress maghanap ng tamang content creation tool, lalo na bawat option ay may kanya-kanyang strength, pero ang key ay mag-focus ka sa specific goal mo. Whether it's driving search traffic with ContentShake AI or tapping into creative potential of ChatGPT. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to helping you navigate tools like this to save you time, work smarter, and achieve your content goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. Huwag kalimutan tignan ang aming exclusive link sa description to get the best price possible. Maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kits sa susunod.